Chihuahua.
Chihuahua.
The dogs are the most popular pet in the world because he's very smart and gentle. He was domesticated centuries ago by the humans.
According to the Federation Cenology International (FCI), in the world there are approximately 700 breeds of dogs.
There are dogs from 400 grams until 120 kilograms. 10 popular dogs breeds are Chihuahua, country of origin Mexico;
Dalmata, country of origin Croatia.
Bull Terrier, country of origin England.
Labrador, country of origin Canada;
Have a dog is a big advantage from the blind people because assist from can move in the city.
Lazarillo schools for dogs began in the First World War as a result of chemical weapons.
The most important training center was established in Germany in 1915. Breeds used are the German Shepherd, Belgian Shepherd, Labrador, and Golden Retriever.
The dog's trainers use a specific method from teach strategies at the dogs. A method of training is give reward and the dog when followed an order. In this way they train police dog, guide dog, hunting dog, and sheepdogs.
The intelligence of the dogs is allied to the intelligence of monkeys. The assistance dogs use on a special rope from youth the blind people.
Most people encourage their dogs to do cute performance to earn money with creative artists. The dogs are trained from have a properly behavior.
The dogs are sent to the school when his behavior are bad or inappropriate. In this course receive lessons for special people.
Advice is to be careful with the dogs because not all are gentle.
Important fact: from these hot times, drink coconut water and keep out your dog from hot places.